Good afternoon, everyone. It's Paul for Prestige Binary Options, and welcome to our very first TAI Robotic Trading update for the week. Today is the 15th of August, 2017. It is a Tuesday, so I think it was last week when we posted our last TAI Robotic Trading update. So in this review, guys, we're actually going to go over my latest trading results, and we're going to look at them in detail from earlier this afternoon using the TAI Robotic app. We're also going to discuss some upcoming developments and exciting news that I will be doing later on this week regarding TAI Robotic. But most importantly, we will be answering the most important question that a lot of traders have been asking me, and that is, does TAI Robotic still work? Does it still produce profitable results? Because remember, guys, this software has been around for a little over a month. So it's a very common question that after software has been around for some time that traders want to know, is this software still reliable? So we will be answering these questions and more right here, right now. So before we get started, guys, don't forget, like our videos, subscribe to our channel. That way you don't miss out on any of our future updates. And be sure to check out all the information down below in our video description so you can click the links, learn about TAI Robotic, its features provided, as well as links to our previous live videos and discussions. So like I said, guys, TAI Robotic is a trading software that has been around for a little over a month. So naturally, I get a lot of questions from traders, just wondering, does TAI Robotic still produce profitable results? Is this still a great app to use for beginners? And the answer is yes. I will go over my results in just a few moments, but just in case, if you're just learning about TAI Robotic for the first time and you want to learn a little more, I'm going to give you some very important facts that you need to know. First off, TAI Robotic is fully automated, but most importantly, they also provide you with a lot of settings which you as the user can control. You can control asset preferences, trading strategies, risk levels, expiration times, which is really impressive because you can go from 60-second turbo trades all the way up to long-term and end of day. So depending on your method of trading, you have different options available for you. But the most important settings, guys, are the settings located here at the bottom. With the trading amount, and this is very important for beginners, you can go as low as $5 or $10 trades each, which is really beneficial, guys, because think about it. If you start off with a $250 deposit and you don't want to risk too much money, placing $5 or $10 trades through TAI Robotic allows you to place more trades but risk less. Now, daily stop loss and daily investment are very important. Daily investment is the total amount of money that you would want to risk in one day. The daily stop loss is an amount that if you reach that amount of losses, the software will stop placing trades for you. So let me just give you an example. If you put in $100 and you are placing $25 trades, this means that the software will stop placing trades once it loses 4 trades. So these are key elements and settings that you need to understand within TAI Robotic. And guys, just in case if you haven't been following us since the first day, when I first posted my first video with TAI Robotic, I began with the minimum $250 deposit, which is more than plenty to begin trading and start making profits and build your account. And as you can see from our balance and our profits, we have definitely increased those numbers substantially, and we've certainly come a long way in terms of profits. And this has all been easily achieved through the TAI Robotic and by using the settings that are provided. Now, here are some of the results that I had just from earlier this afternoon. So we placed a total of 7 trades, and as you can see with the investments, each trade was valued at $100. Now, mind you, the reason why my investments are so high is because of the account balance. So our balance allows us to do this for us. So don't be too hasty. Do not rush into placing big trades as soon as you start. Begin small, begin slow, allow your account to grow, and as your account grows, then you can start increasing those trades gradually and make bigger profits. This is exactly the method that I use with TAI Robotic, and again, the balance and the profits definitely show for itself, which allows us to make these big trades. So from these trades, guys, we had minimal losses. We only had a loss here regarding the Euro AUD. We also have a tie here with the GBP JPY. Now, one thing that I noticed, guys, is that ties happen a lot when you're using turbo 60-second trades. Normally, I don't like turbo 60-second trades on my own, but through the TAI Robotic app, it definitely makes it a lot easier. And what's also great about a TAI, guys, is that you don't win any money, but you also don't lose any money either. In this case, we just received our $100 investment back. So with the 1 loss and the 5 winning trades, we made a total of $250, which is great. And this is only within a matter of minutes using the TAI Robotic app, because remember, each trade over here lasted only 60 seconds. Now, if we were to also include the $100 investment return, this gives us a total return profit of $350. So not a bad day for trading using the TAI Robotic app. And again, guys, this can all be possible through the TAI Robotic, through its settings that they are provided. You build your account, allow your account to grow, and as your account grows, you can make bigger trades, which will then return in bigger profits. This is a great software and very easy to use for beginners who don't know how to trade on their own. And it's a software that I'm very, very happy to continue using. Now, one other thing that I also want to keep you guys informed is that later on this week, I will be submitting my second withdrawal since I started using TAI Robotic. A few weeks ago, we actually posted this video where we discussed a successful $1,000 withdrawal, and we also went over some important tips and things that you should understand to ensure that you have a smooth withdrawal process. So when I submit my second withdrawal, I think I will do a withdrawal of a little over $1,000, maybe $1,200 or $1,300. And when I post this video here on our channel, I will also recap some of the important tips and discussions that we discussed in our last withdrawal video. So definitely subscribe and stay tuned so that way you don't miss out any of these updates. So if you're interested, guys, check out all the information below. You can click the link and get your own free copy and start profiting with TAI Robotic today. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment or email me directly at prestigeboundary@gmail.com. And don't forget, guys, to like our videos and subscribe to our channel, because we are constantly posting new updates, not just with softwares like TAI Robotic that we use, but we also post warnings and updates on different trading scams and online scams that should be avoided. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my first TAI Robotic trading update of the week. Have a great evening, and we'll see you next time.